you have still not signed up for AP tests, you can do so at the link below with a $20 late fee. Make sure you do this by February 28th. Sign-ups for the HOSA and Pre-Med Blood Drive have begun. If you are interested in donating blood, you can sign up during both lunches on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays for the next few weeks. The blood drive will be on Tuesday, March 19th in the auxiliary gym. Seniors, it is not too late to submit your FAFSA forms for financial aid for college. To fill out this form, go to FAFSA.gov and submit your forms. If you have any questions, go ask Mrs. Noland in the College and Career Center in B102. Here's some testing information. Juniors, make sure you're in class to register for your free ACT with writing on April 2nd. Don't miss out on saving money. Here are some other testing dates for the SAT and ACT. RISD also has free SAT math prep at Berkner High School. Here's the link to sign up.
On Tuesday night, your J.J. Pierce basketball team beat South Grand Prairie. On Friday, they'll go against Denton Guyer at Coppell High School at 7:30. Come out and support the team.
What's up, Mustangs? I'm here today with Mr. Kwaku, one of the directors in our Mighty Mustang Band. So, Mr. Kwaku, how long have you been leading band?
I've been teaching for 2 years now. This is your
And this is your first job, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, and where did you graduate from?
University of Texas at Austin. Look at horns.
How long have you played the trumpet for?
I've been playing trumpet for, 15 years now.
That's impressive. What's your favorite part about leading bands and what you do for your job?
About being in band, I would just say the day-to-day growth that the band makes is like when you think about like the first day of summer band, when we've all kind of had the summer off and we haven't really been together, and then just each day getting progressively better at marching, playing our instruments together, playing within an ensemble. That's always really, really cool.
That is really cool.
Yeah.
You also lead the jazz band here. We'll be hearing more from them later. What's your favorite part about jazz band?
Well, it's, we've kind of had a little bit of difficulty balancing the whole marching band and stuff.
True.
But like once we actually start picking up, it's just going to be cool playing a different setting, When we play marching band music and then we play concert band music, those are two very specific styles. Jazz style is going to give band kids another opportunity to explore a different genre of music, and that's something I'm really excited about.
Yeah. Before we go, one more question for you. If you could have any of the other band directors as your brother, who would they be?
Well,
it's a dumb question, I'm sorry.
It's all good. I'd probably say Mr. Taylor because we're basically brothers already. We went to college together, we're really good friends. So, but like all of us get along really, really well. So it's cool. It's actually, honestly, working with the other directors is like working with a group of brothers because of how well we work. So, yeah.
Awesome. All right, thanks for your time.
Absolutely.
This is Ryan Baldwin reporting for Mustang News.
Hi, I'm Harris Lee, and in today's episode of SubPar Cooking, we're going to be making homemade ice cream. These are the ingredients you'll need for today. They'll be in the description below. Shout out to Finley for giving this idea. What's up, Finley?
I get to help.
Alright, this is my assistant, Emery. You've seen him on a few other episodes of SubPar Cooking, but can you hold that bag open for me?
Yeah.
Emery? Alright, let's just put the half and half in. Heavy whipping cream, half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh, actually 2 teaspoons. Now you're going to want to seal your bag, and then we'll get to the ice mixture. So now you're going to want to squish around your ingredients to make sure that the sugar dissolves before you put it into the ice bath. Give it a nice little squeeze there. Like how you would squeeze a loved one. I would not. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Put your ice cubes and your salt into another gallon-sized bag. Then put your salt in, seal it up, shake it around a bit. Go ahead and put your ice cream mixture into the ice and salt bag. Seal that up. Just start kind of fiddling around with it.
You want to shake it, right? Yeah, shake it. Yeah, you shake it.
You'll never catch me, Krabs. Not when I shift into maximum overdrive. Hi-ya!
Can you see the sweat? Get up on the forehead, cameraman.
Alright, we're in
We're
focus.
starting to get there. I might have to take my shirt off just like Adam Levine.
Do you have a bunch of tattoos under there?
Sometimes I feel I've got to run away.
Now you're gonna want to take it out. And it should feel nice and firm. Ice cream. Just scoop out your ice cream. I mean, let's just do like that much. So what we do here is we take the ice cream just off the top. That's the warmest part. Then we're gonna invert the spoon onto the tip of the tongue. Cover all 9,000 taste buds. Driving up the top note. That cream. Pure vanilla. That's a 10. Thanks for watching.